Are you looking for Adirondack chairs like I am? In this video, we're going to talk about the Polywood Adirondack chairs. There's three things that I'm looking for in these chairs: quality, ease of assembly, and most importantly, the comfort. I want to be able to enjoy these chairs while sitting at the fire. That's what I'm getting them for this fireplace area that we just got done building. I want to be able to sit around the fire for hours with my friends, be able to get in and out of the chairs easily. I want to be able to be comfortable the whole time. Stick around to the end because I'm going to show you the fireplace area that I was telling you about. Just built some swings, just got the fire pit in. These chairs are kind of the last piece for this space, but nothing's ever really done. So we'll see. We'll see what's to come next. So Polywood has a 2-chair and a table set. So I bought 2 of them so that I would have 4 chairs and 2 tables to put around the fireplace. Okay, let's see what we got in here. So we got instructions, looks like tools. Comes with everything. Nice neat little bag of stuff. Oh, these are gonna be super easy. Look at that, it's already halfway put together. You said you saw somewhere that it said it was a half hour each to put together? They're mostly put together, it looks like. So I don't see how that's going to be the case. But we will see. So the instructions come pretty good. Okay, so I went ahead and sorted everything out by type of hardware, quantities, set up a little bench here to work off of. Should make things a little bit easier. Okay, step 1. You have the seat base, the legs, and a cross member. Pre-assemble those guys. Okay, so we need 1C, which is the threaded, and 3A, which are the short machine screws. So we got all those set aside. Let's put this guy together. Let's start with this one. Now this guy goes out, which you can't mess up because there's 3 holes. First impression, the quality looks really good. It's all that resin Polywood, hence their manufacturing name. Makes sense. Oh boy. I'm not going to tighten everything super tight. I'll do that last. It's kind of always a good rule of thumb. That way you can make sure feet are square and level to the world for that final. Just kind of snug to the surface at this point. First lesson learned. All right, so there's a little notch on this leg, and the hole is not exactly center. So line this guy up so that the hole matches with the hole, and it goes right inside. Super easy. The fact that they put the seat and the seat back together for you, that's where all the work is. boxes are big. These chairs aren't super heavy, so makes that part convenient. I don't see how this is a half-hour assembly. Maybe it is. Certainly the second, third, fourth one are going to be much less once you learn the nuances of it. Okay, that's step one. And step two, again, let these guys wiggle just a little bit. Secure. Okay, next one, arms. Step three has you putting the arms on before you put the back on. So there's a through hole here on these guys on the hand, the front of the handle. That's the back of the handle, and that's the front. Carrot, I don't know if you saw it on the end frame or not, but that carrot's a new toy, so everybody wants it. Put it back on, and we're home. Yeah, that's probably the hardest part, is just lining up the screw hole. And if you're saying that's the hardest part, then you're doing pretty good. Oh boy. All right, I'm just gonna sit in it real fast. Let everything settle where it's supposed to be. Oh, comfy. Okay, now just go around and tighten everything. Boom, time. There you go. Just one chair. What do you think, sir? You're gonna help me? Gonna be my helper? Okay, let's unbox this. Put the side table together. See if that's any more difficult. Again, looks like it's mostly put together already. I love that. That's the table. 2 legs. 2 cross members. Instructions, tools. Different Allen wrench this time. See if it's the same size. Probably don't need those. This looks pretty straightforward. Quick look at this. There's 3 steps on the instructions. Three steps. Pretty straightforward. And get over here. Same hex head as the other one. So I give you a different Allen wrench for this one, but we'll reuse the T handle because it's a little better. And there you go. So when you're on the Polywood website ordering these, there's 3 different options. There's options for how slanted the seat is, how far down it is. They have a square, a mid, and then a really slanted. I'm exaggerating. This is the middle. And then the same thing with the seat height from the ground. They have a low, a mid, and a high. So we went middle for everything. We went middle slant and middle height. And I'm 6 foot. Super comfortable. My legs are just, or my knees are just up off the chair. You can stretch out. I don't feel like it's difficult to get in and out. I've sat in some Adirondack chairs that are, you feel like you can't get out. You gotta kind of get ready to get going, and this isn't that case. This is comfortable. Side table's good height. Hi, buddy. Drop it. Drop it. Good boy. Side table's a good height. We're gonna position that in between the chairs. And I'm gonna put the rest of these together, put them over by the fire pit. I'll show you everything when we're done. All right, so let's start with why did I choose these Polywood chairs? Well, there's a campground that we go to pretty frequently. We've been going there for years. They had these chairs. And year after year, those chairs are still there. So to me, that was a little bit of comfort in that, knowing that they're gonna stand up to a campground and years of use, and seemingly a lot of use at a campground, and probably hard use. So if it can work there, it should probably be able to work here at my house. Quality and longevity were high on my list. These chairs are very well built, sturdy materials, no maintenance. The resin wood or Polywood doesn't require anything other than wiping it down to keep it clean. The last thing I wanted to do was buy a chair, have it last a season, and then have to buy another chair and deal with that every year. These chairs, as proof from the campground, seem like they're going to last year after year after year. These are super comfortable. I haven't spent hours in them yet, so I'll update in the comments if anything changes, but they're super comfortable. Overall first impressions, I mentioned it during the assembly. The people at Polywood, they do most of the hard work for you. The chairs come mostly assembled. You just need to put the arms and the legs on. They give you all the tools that you need other than the one wrench, which most people have anyways. So no need to run to the store and buy anything special to put these things together. I think the website says it's about a half hour per chair. I found that it was 15 minutes or less per chair. The tables, I couldn't even get the timer started. They were super fast to put together. Again, the people at Polywood put most of these together for you, or most of it together for you. You're just putting legs and cross support members in. So super easy to put together. The instructions were super easy to follow, very clear, big pictures, no confusion at all on that front. I would feel very comfortable recommending these to a friend. There's probably some less expensive options out there, but not at this quality. I'm happy with the value of quality, price to quality that I'm seeing in these chairs. In my opinion, spending a little bit of money up front, a little extra money up front, is well worth not having to deal with purchasing new chairs season after season. Hopefully these last a long time, won't have any issues with them. Again, I'll add comments or update this video if anything changes. Speaking of videos, keep an eye out for future videos. I have a huge list of projects that I'm going to be doing. I have some string lights that we're going to be putting in the backyard. I think that's going to be the next video. I hope to see you in the future videos. See you later.